Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 30, and before I'm gonna continue with my daily recap, I wanna ask you to support my channel by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. So today is gonna be a red day recap. My account is down by $2.75 or 2.6%. Small red day. However, today at some point my account was down by over $10, which is bad. So my max daily loss is $10. So what happened today? I waited for about 25 minutes until I placed my first trade. We had, I think it was Liman, our leading gapper, and I think it was up by 40 or 60% on a day with no news. Plus it was very choppy, and I noticed it was repeating the same move as PAPL yesterday. So however, as I said, this stock was choppy and had lots of upper wicks on 1 minute and 5 minute charts. So I didn't touch it. Then another stock popped up. It was a Hong Kong company, no news. I didn't touch it even though it went $1 a share. So, but as it went up $1 a share, it reversed immediately. So I'm glad I did not trade it. So a next stock popped up, and I forgot about my rule, not touching no new stock. So I jumped on it with 5 shares, and it reversed. So I made another mistake. I averaged down. I thought I'm aiding on a pullback, but I was averaging down. And when I had my 20 share position, at some point I was down $10 on my account. So which is $10 on 20 shares, not on the account. So I waited and I decided not to it and see if the stock wants to move higher. So when I see it was climbing, I bought for a break of VWAP. It broke for a few seconds, and I think at some point I was up like $3, but this is not what I was looking for. I did not sell it. I hope that the stock is gonna retest the high of the day, but it didn't. It kept selling, so I decided to cut my losses. I first sold, I think, 15 shares to minimize my risk, and then I started selling the rest. So this is my day. Not happy about it, but happy that this is a small red day. So what I want to do differently tomorrow I want to trade a stock with fresh news. Wait until I see a headline. This is the most important part. And the other one thing I want to also focus on is wait for a pullback on 10 seconds or 1 minute charts. So this is what I want to do differently tomorrow. And of course I need to manage my risk and set up my stop losses. So today I didn't say out loud my stop loss, and this is not acceptable. So let me know, guys, what was your day today, what stocks did you trade, and let me know if you made some money or you lost some money in today's trading. So right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning, guys. We have a one leading gapper. This is Liman, and it looks like it's just repeating the same move as I can't remember what was the leading gapper we had yesterday, but it's doing the same thing. Close to 7 o'clock, it's moving up, trying to retest double top, but the difference in this stock, first of all, we have too many red candles, and I don't like these upper wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5 minute chart we have lots of upper wicks on 1 minute chart, and also no news. There's a GSIW on the scanner below view app. Interesting. So this is the stock that most of the day traders will be focusing on if we won't get anything at 7 o'clock. But you know, look at the 1 minute chart from $10 down to $8.80. That's a huge drop. Uh, 2.5 minutes until 7 o'clock. Yeah, same thing. I see same thing. %51 on a day, but again, you see this high pressure from selling. But still, MACD is positive. The problem we have is this big red candle on volume bar. MACD is negative on 1 minute chart, crossing on 10-second chart. Very choppy stock. 15 seconds until 7. For me, this is very risky stock to trade. Plus, I cannot, jump in and out. I can only place one trade per day because I'm trading in a cash account, no leverage. Plus, we don't even know share float. You see, here we have check filings. What if it is like 35 million share float, or 40. LIMN is selling off. 930 is the view app. Can it break and go down? Looks like it can. Yeah, it broke. I did see 25, 26. So I guess it's not actually repeating the move from yesterday on, I think it was APL. But at least it did retest the high of the day. It even broke the high of the day. $9 from 10.18 to $9. Hmm. 703. No news on any stocks. So is it gonna be a weird time like 705, 707, or we have to wait until 7:30 or 8 o'clock in the morning until, you know, we will see stock moving with fresh news. So my rules are still in front of me each day. Yesterday I made the mistake of chasing the stock we buy, and you know, at some point I was down $5 on 5 shares, which is a lot. But I ate it on a pullback, and you know, was able to finish a day over 14% up on a day, which is awesome. But I know I had a perfect pullback that I just didn't want to wait for. So when it breaks 915, that's, you know, theoretically, but there is a problem here. We have a view app, 9 moving average, 20 moving average, that everything needs to be broken in order for the stock to move up. Plus, you see, we have, looks like a what is it? I don't see it. Is it a shooting star or it's just a dodger? Maybe dodger. So 915 needs to be broken. Then then 927. This is not a pullback, this is a sell-off, and maybe this is a setup to wait until first candle to close green, but again it needs to break 915. I don't trade such setups. $8.50. Wow. And from a leading gapper, it's a third stuck on a scanner. High pressure selling. This is not very exciting. Is it gonna be a no trade day today? Interesting. SRE hitting the scanner, we have bigger share float, but we only have this stock on the scanner and nothing else. And this is a Hong Kong stock. So the high was on daily 527. This is very risky, plus it's so, light volume on it. I don't know. So what the stock is about: financial printing services for listed companies, IPO applicants and private companies. Nothing really exciting. I don't even want to touch it. This is not what I'm waiting for, and plus it has an enormous share float. Not enormous, but big, 23 mils. SRE moving on the scanner, but I'm gonna be disciplined and I'm not gonna touch it. It can go as, higher, that's fine. Oh, look at this. This is ugly. From 442 to 565 and just same thing but down from 547 down to 437 in one candle. Wow. I'm glad I didn't buy it. Oh, this is, looks like from a pull, you see, sell-off, and now we have a first candle to break this 849 level. Then it needs to break 860, 861, 867, then 899. So this is lots and lots to break. Plus, in a way, we have 9 and 20 MA. So I'm gonna be patiently waiting. So on LIMN, this is already a back side of the move. Front side was this. Now it's a back side. $7.18, no news. Look at that. PPDT. Why I cannot? Okay, PPDT. What do we have here? Light volume 2.43 mils. Share float. Looks like it's moving. It's moving higher. I'm gonna jump on it. It's moving very fast. I'm gonna cancel my order. I need to wait for a pullback. I'm gonna buy this pullback. I'm gonna add. Oh, it's dropping. I almost below my max loss. Have 20 shares. This is gonna be enough for me, so I'm gonna wait and not to add. $10 my max loss. Looks like I did had at some point. So I'm gonna wait. I have 20 shares of the stock. Not aiding. Not aiding. Can it move higher? My average cost 360. And I was down on it a lot. Very interesting. Light volume, PPDT. 335. 345, 380. I'm gonna buy to break of the VWAP. I'm aiding. Will it go higher? Have 35 shares of the stock. %26 on a day. Very risky trade. Very risky. And I'm gonna unload. I unloaded 15 shares just to be on the safe side. So looks like it's dropping. I have only 10 shares of the stock. I'm not gonna touch anything. So I probably will add here. If it's gonna go higher, I'm gonna add here. I have 12 shares of the stock. Is it gonna go higher? No, it's dropping. I'm selling 5. Have 7 shares. Selling. I have 2 shares left, and it looks like it's dropping. So I'm gonna sell here. So unfortunately today is a red day, but I'm glad I sold, because as you can see, this is very bad chart. So I started buying as I thought on this pullback. I was down and I decided to add average down, which is always bad. So today I wasn't a disciplined trader, but I was able to finish my day only minus $2.75, just because I sold 15 shares of the stock. So not really exciting day, but you know, again, it's not bad considering that it is a small red day. I hope guys you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others. Remember, trading is risky, as you saw. You know, I was down at some point as minus $10, then minus $5. Very quick moves. You can make quick buck, but you can also be down a lot as well. So if you want to learn how to trade, find your strategy, then learn it in a simulator before putting real money on the line. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.